Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another exciting case review for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And our partners from Poetic Cases have brought two cases for us to review, the Poetic Revolution Flex case and the Poetic Spartan case. And we're going to get into it, but before we do that, if you can please like, subscribe to this channel, like, subscribe, and comment. And we can get right to it without further ado. Now today we have really good, exciting cases that just came in today. And we're gonna start one by one, and we're gonna do the Poetic Revolution. Now, let me tell you about these cases. I review a lot of these cases on my channel, and these are total protection cases. From every crevice, your phone will be covered and protected with Poetic cases. Now, this this Revolution Flex case starts at $50.95, and you can get this on Amazon. I'll throw a link on the description. And the cool thing about this is not only does it have the total protection, it has a hidden foldable kickstand. It has hinge protection all the way around, and it has an optimal 60-degree view and angle for hands-free operation in landscape mode. It has MagSafe, and its cover is built with a built-in screen protector, and it's slim and functional use. Well, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes in this traditional Poetic box, and we're gonna open it from the bottom. All right. And the first thing we see here is replacement adhesive strips. And if you have a foldable phone, you know exactly what that means. In order for these, the cases on the cover to stay, you're gonna need like some sticker strips. So they were thoughtful enough to give you that. And it's also attached to this. And then they give you kind of instructions on, you know, how to apply the extra provided adhesive strips. We're not gonna worry about that. And let's go ahead and unbox the case. Now, I did mention before, it does have MagSafe, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. And it comes in two pieces here. And it does have a cover screen. Now, traditionally, they would add a screenless cover screen. But for the sake of this, they want to make sure that your investment is protected. You are paying over $2,000 for it if you're not trading in any devices. So they want you to have total protection. So let's start with the old basic. Let's use the back and let's see what it's doing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Nice and easy to put on. Nice cutouts everywhere. Now, a lot of these cases are set up to where you can actually just use your the back case and leave the cover screen as is. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the screen cover off here. Take the screen cover off here. And let's go ahead and put that on. And voila, total protection. Now I may have put it on, let's see here. Make sure everything's all nice and snug. Well, here it is. So you see the ring on the back? We're gonna test MagSafe in a minute. So this is pretty cool. You can open it up. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Everything is covered from the side. You have an open area for your power button, fingerprint button, for obvious reasons. You got nice little clicky buttons, and it works, it's functional. Now let's look at this hinge protection. Very solid. Good. And then let's look at this hidden foldable kickstand. Very nice. So if you want to look at landscape mode, as they mentioned before, you can do it as such. Very functional. Let's see, does it work this way as well? Kind of works this way a little bit. I like it. Very nice. All right, let's test, see if there's any wireless hindrances. No wireless problems there. It works. let's look at the MagSafe and test it. So I have this trusty MagSafe, and it works. The cover screen on this case, the Revolution, is very nice. Even though the screen is there for your protection, it doesn't prevent you from utilizing the phone in the very best way. And the touch is impeccable. So you're not gonna have any problems with this protective screen. And it does get a little glary when you're in the light. However, you have the Samsung kind of screen that just kind of like eliminates a lot of that glare. So you got a little bit of both when it comes to this cover screen. So not a bad deal for 50 bucks. And as you can see with the Revolution, you have no shaking, no rocking of the phone, just a little bit, but it was way better than what we had before. So that's what makes these cases unique. So go ahead and pick you up one of these cases, the Poetic Revolution or the Poetic Spartan. The next case we're going to discuss for Poetic is the Poetic Spartan. This has 4 colors: midnight blue, metallic orange, gunmetal, and metallic red. Today I have the metallic gun color, and this one is $48 on Amazon. It includes a foldable magnetic ring stand, hinge protection, 15-in powerful magnet, and it's compatible with MagSafe. It has a cover built-in screen protector, and it's slim for functional use, just like the Poetic Revolution. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. And as you see, it does have the same magnetic replacement adhesives. Let's go ahead and unbox this. And voila. Okay, so this is one of the traditional looking cases from Poetic. The gunmetal look here is one of their staples, and it is very popular among the brand. It does include the MagSafe ring, as mentioned, and it doubles up as a ring stand. So that is pretty cool. And I love this rubberized area right here for grippiness. And typically this would be more metal-like, but as far as the feel, but this is a little bit more TPU plastic material, which is keeping the integrity of the lightness of the phone intact. So I really like that nice touch. And it does include MagSafe with this ring. So you can go ahead and do that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox everything. So I'm gonna put this on the side, the stickiness. And we're gonna start with putting the front case cover on. Snaps right into place. And voila, there it is. You have the Poetic Spartan case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And you can go ahead and open that up. Let's get a good profile of this thing right here. You got adequate hinge protection right here. You got the gunmetal cutouts right here. You got the grippiness right here. You got the kickstand right here, and it is like a little bit over 90 degrees. So you get a nice little kickstand, and you can hold it even in portrait mode. Let's see, can you hold it like this? Yes, you can do it even when the cover's closed. And you can do it slightly like this in portrait when the cover is closed. And I want to say it's very light. So you're gonna get full body protection and it's light. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna test these in the market because I love the way this feels. This is like one of the nicer phones out there, nice cases out there. And I love the hinge protection. I love the flush bezel around the camera cutouts. Every cutout is precise. It's very thoughtful. You got your power fingerprint button available. Buttons are clicky. With Poetic, you're gonna get clicky buttons. You got cutouts down here, precise. Let's test wireless charging. No problem there. Now let's test the MagSafe. There you have it. MagSafe compatible indeed. Not bad for 50 bucks. You get total protection, and it's light and it's thin. Now typically Poetic keeps the bulkiness with a lot of their cases, but they're starting to follow the trends and get into the thinness of the market. And I really appreciate that with these cases that we have today. But let me know what you think. I think these are two fantastic cases. You might as well go ahead and just try them out. These are amazing. Once again, the Poetic Revolution Flex case has a little bit of flexibility, as it mentions, and this is $50. And then the Poetic Spartan down here is $48, so about 50 bucks. You can get it in the link below, and you can, let me know what you think.